Yo, what's good, R&R Nation?
It's your boy MC Ron G.
And I'm Rhema. And we are back for another episode. We are doing the unboxing of the Snack Crate. Y'all ready for this?
I hope so.
Let go.
Let's do it.
Let's see where we're coming from. Finland!
Finland. Oh,
Yes.
that's probably the wrong accent.
We are coming from Finland. Alright, so what's first? We are going to do Broadway sour cream and onion chips. Get ready?
Alright. This from Finland.
This from Finland, man.
If you know anything about Finland, if you're from Finland yourself, please drop some comments down below right now. And don't forget to subscribe to Team R&R Nation.
Ready for this?
Yeah, let's go. Cheers. Ooh.
It's good.
Good. It's good.
It is good. I can get with this.
Yeah. This is the original taffel snack. Okay.
I mean,
That's a good one right there.
it's good.
And the second
feel
time
like
around, it wasn't as like.
The flavor could be more. I feel like it's just really like.
Yeah, like the first chip was like, and the second one was like, oh, okay.
Okay.
It's just another regular chip
Okay.
from Finland, though. What's next?
Let's do some more chips.
What we got?
Same brand.
Okay, snack from Taffel.
And that's it. Hearts. Corn snacks with nacho cheese flavor.
Okay.
Let's get it.
Oh, they got hearts.
Oh, I love you.
I love you. You might chill on the shelf a little bit.
No, I think it's light.
Let me try another one.
I just don't think the flavor is
Hidden.
hidden. It's not powerful.
This tastes like.
It's very bland.
It tastes like it came off the back shelf of like one of your local stores. Not dissing them or nothing. I don't like this chip. Not a fan of the hearts.
Yeah. What's the next? You want to pick?
Yeah, let me pick some. Okay. Oh no, we're gonna wait on that one. Let's try the Moomin.
Moomin? Fruit
Moomin
candies.
fruit candies. Moomin
Let them see that.
fruit candies. Ooh.
Yeah.
Special effects. Alright. They smell good. I wonder what a moomin is. It must be like.
What is it?
Look like
It look like a hippo or something.
Yeah. Y'all see the hippo action? Yeah.
It's hard to see, but yeah, it look like a hippo. Ready?
Yep. That's pretty good. Instantly get stuck in your teeth.
I like that, yo.
It kind of tastes like, you know, the Swedish fish.
We got flavors: strawberry, orange,
That's good.
pear,
That's good.
and apple pomegranate. I think that's the one I got.
I got something that was like that. What was the light green?
Pear.
Okay, yeah, that pear was good.
Yeah.
That was good. Let me get one more fruit snack out of for the road. Get different colors on it. Huh? Alright, moving fruit snacks. Y'all did
Good job, Finland.
Good job, Finland. Okay. Alright, we better stick with the hurricane. Ready for this?
I'm actually nervous about this one.
This is... Y'all tell me what to say.
Exactly.
Y'all, I need y'all to go ahead and give me the right... They so... It's hot and sour.
Hot
And sour.
I think that's a terrible combination. Hot and sour.
Thai crisp.
Don't even do it. Come on.
You know what? It really say try at your own risk.
That's what it really say.
All right. I'm gonna let you pick one.
Oh, I'm so nervous.
It got a picture
Let me get the blue one.
of a flame on it. Y'all see that? Y'all see the flame on that? It don't smell hot. It's either a flame or it's Goku. I don't know if Finland's in the Goku.
All right.
Are you ready?
I'm so nervous.
Cheers.
I don't know. There's a very weird taste. I think I'm getting this out.
I brought these just in case.
I'm gonna try to bite it.
Oh, you brave.
It's actually not that bad.
With the bite, I'm gonna bite mine. Cause this is gross right now.
It's not bad.
No.
I don't taste the hot or the sour, honestly.
I bet mine instantly got a rush of like hot sauce or something. It was like immediately hot.
Mine's not hot though.
Woo! You got the blue.
Oh wait,
Did you get it?
it's nasty.
Do you need this? Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Oh my gosh. This Turkish pepper or whatever this is,
I'm sorry, Finland.
too hot to handle.
That's a fail right there.
You're right, Finland.
Mm-mm.
I'm gonna get another fruit snack to kind of wash that taste out of my mouth.
Yeah.
They ain't put no garlic in there for us to clean our palates with.
I don't know what that was. Alright, moving on, guys.
Let's move on. That was nasty.
I don't even know what this is. Everything's in Finland, so it's hard to read, but...
You say tupla? Tupla?
Tupla. Let's open it. See what it look like.
That was a really bad candy. I really didn't like that at all.
Oh, look. Kind of good.
Okay. Got some outrageous action going.
Mm.
Are y'all almost done? No. Yes.
Oh, there's a whole thing. You just put it up. How is it? You like it?
Tastes like peanuts. And good. Maybe like some caramel, maybe.
It tastes almost like a mix between.
A musketeer, for me, with peanuts on it. That's what it tastes like.
For me, it tastes like a Crunch bar mixed with a Snicker.
Mm.
I can see Musketeer.
Let's go.
Because y'all let go for this one.
I'm waiting for this one. That one look good. So you pick that one.
Yeah, it's your turn. Two and two.
Alright. This bar look good. I've been wanting to try it. It's called Geisha.
That's the geisha bar?
Memoirs of a Geisha. Milk chocolate with soft hazelnut filling. Oh my gosh.
See what y'all got going.
I'm so excited.
They doing alright though.
So excited.
What'd you say?
So excited. Have a piece of this.
Oh, so excited. Here's an accent. Oh, she should learn to speak Finland from eating that hot candy. Oh man.
I think I just died in my head.
Finland so far. Let me see. How many we opened up for? 1, 2,
Finland?
3, 4, 5,
This
6.
is wonderful.
Y'all 5 for 6 right now.
Mm.
Y'all 5 for 6 right now. This is good.
No, hold up. Go ahead.
Sure.
Yeah. A plus. That was good. I do got a 10 on that one.
Y'all 5 out of 6 with the unboxing right now. Y'all doing real good.
Alright. Go through. Alright.
I'm sorry. That was good.
Yeah, I was excited about that one.
How many we got here?
2 more.
Okay.
Sorry, didn't you?
So now we're gonna try the Susu original.
Soup! What do you think it is?
From the look of it, it reminds me of the Nutrageous bar. Do you remember that?
No.
It's like caramel with peanut butter and chocolate and all that stuff. Like if y'all look, kind of looks like the Nutrageous
It
bar.
looks like a chocolate payday to me. Payday dipped in chocolate.
Payday dipped in chocolate. I mean, I think that's what the Nutrageous is, a payday dipped in chocolate.
I thank you, good sir. Oh. This got some crunch on it. That's pretty good. It tastes like something, but I can't throw out what it tastes like. It's really good.
You're right. It has It's familiar. It's familiar.
Yeah.
It's probably like a candy that we don't eat as much no more than we used to. It's just very familiar.
I give it a 8.
8. I'm gonna go with a 6. I don't like the aftertaste. It's the aftertaste. I ain't really feeling it. It was good though. It was good. Hold up. You know what? You remember what was the candy called? 100 grand?
Yeah.
Maybe that's what it is. I think.
Yeah, I think so.
I don't eat 100 grand anymore, so.
I think that's what it tastes like.
All right. So for my next one, we're gonna go with the gym. We're gonna go with the gym. What are you expecting to see inside this? Because there's like literally no description. It could be chocolate.
Let me see.
What if you open it up and it's like a Slim Jim?
Squishy.
Squishy?
I think it's like a granola bar.
Granola?
Yeah.
Let's open it up and see.
I was so wrong.
That is not granola. Maybe it's granola.
It looked like the almond joy without the
Joy.
Oh, wait a minute.
Is that almond joy?
It smells fruity.
Yeah, like bubble gum.
Yeah. Marshmallow. Tastes like.
Oh. Sorry, Jim.
Finland?
Gotta cancel, Jim.
Finland, I don't even know what that is.
Let me see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We did.
Finland, I give that a 3.
I'm gonna have to give
That was
y'all
not good.
right now. Y'all hitting 6 out of 8 right now.
All right, my turn.
That gym is That gym don't jam for me.
I can't even say what this is. It just looks like some chocolate.
Let me see.
I see the picture.
Yeah, let's see. Oh, that's a Carol Face.
You don't even know.
It's Carol Faison. If you're from Finland, leave the comments down below. Let us know how to pronounce this candy. We don't want to disrespect y'all candy. And while you're doing that, go ahead and hit that bell icon and subscribe.
Yes, like and subscribe.
At least it's breakable. I like that.
Think something inside of it.
I don't know.
Yeah. Nothing inside. Just some milk chocolate.
That's very chocolate. Not bad.
Some milk chocolate.
I go about.
It's chocolate.
That's chocolate. That's a 10. That's a 10. I, in particular, don't eat straight chocolate, but if I did, it's a straight 10.
I have no idea what these are,
Oh man.
but what they remind me of is
some
back in the day.
cigarettes.
Yeah. Back in the day, we used to have those little white sticks. They used to be cigarettes.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all remember those? That's what this joint remind me of.
That's what it is. It sounds like it.
And the cigar bubble gum. Yeah, we was kids, thought we was smoking.
Don't do it. Don't do it, kids.
Mm. Hey, get it up. Yes.
This Faison company is popping in Finland.
Oh.
We
Did I
got
show you that?
salmiak.
No idea what this is. Look like
Licorice.
yeah, that's what it looks
Like
like.
licorice bites.
Got the F on there.
For Faison.
Or Finland. Very salty. That's licorice. Oh my god.
I'm not doing it. Finland, 7 out of 9.
That's a 0.
7 out of 9 on everything.
Yo!
That is disgusting.
That is so gross. I'm sorry.
That's probably the worst thing I've put in my mouth.
It's like licorice, but then it has this very salty.
It's like it's salterish. It's gross. It's nasty. It's bad.
No, yeah, no. Sorry,
It's
Finland.
bad.
That wasn't a good one.
Finland,
All right.
y'all can keep that.
Last but not least.
Y'all set. You think it was salmon? It was gross. What we getting in the with?
Some applecini. It's a drink from Finland.
Oh man, that jug is called Jaffa.
Got some fizz on it.
It was kind of like.
You wanna go first?
Yeah, you can go first. You waiting on me to say first? Oh man, that's good. That's really good. You don't like that?
It don't really taste like
This tastes
anything.
like something. It tastes like delicious. That's what it tastes. Oh my gosh! It tastes like if you ever had any type of grapefruit soda. It tastes like grapefruit soda.
Not impressed.
I am very impressed with it. That is a 10 out of 10 for me.
Well, guys, that concludes the unboxing of the snack crate from Finland. They have some pretty good stuff in there. Some things are, but you know, all in all, you know.
The word she messed up was brought to you by this. This messed us up so bad that you forgot to talk for a couple seconds.
Right.
But thank y'all for joining us.
Yes.
Team R&R Nation. Hit the like button, subscribe, and definitely
Leave comments
leave them
down below. Anything you want us guys to do. More unboxing videos.
We want
Food combinations.
Food combinations.
That is going to be our next video. Food combinations. Weird food combinations. You don't want to miss it.
Yo, listen,
guys.
comment some down below so we can go ahead and add y'all to the lineup and everything.
Yes.
Alright, so we good?
Yep.
Alright, let's go. Sit down with it. Y'all, you forgot the function.